Hello guys, so after I don't record this evening show, I can't discover say Fabrizio Romano drop one update on Gyokeres. So I don't want to leave and make it reach tomorrow. I say make us see let know. Now Fabrizio Romano can let us know say Victor Gyokeres papa the cry since Friday till today. He has been in tears because in the very emotional, according to Mice Football, say the man did very emotional based on say this particular deal, it don't take too much time. And you don't understand why it be like this. Yes. Now, to follow up the story, I can do further research, can find out what other things Mice Football talk. So, breaking news, there is complete deadlock in the negotiations between Arsenal and Sporting for Victor Gyokeres. The situation is so complicated that Gyokeres' father broke down in tears because talks are not moving forward. The Portuguese club are determined not to lower their demands. Now, I think this particular report about the father crying, I don't know how credible that is. But the other things I see there, it could be propaganda because this thing wey dey talk about no be the fixed fee, because while they see some things like say na the fixed fee they talk about, no, it is add-ons and na only 2.5 na really remain. In fact, I would argue that if you remember before Arsenal agree this fixed fee, it was on the Saturday we dey get so many reports say the deal wan collapse say Fabrizio Romano come outside talk say this deal no dey collapse. So then the next day we hear say Arsenal don agree fixed fee. That was on the Sunday. Today now Saturday we don dey hear all this one. Hey, papa dey cry since donkey years. Hey, kiniko. Wetin papa dey cry for? Deal wey be 100% shola. You get na just small add-on so we know say they go still agree. Even if Arsenal dey do shakara say dem no wan, dey look for okay which type of add-ons we go use. If push comes to shove, Arsenal go still agree and pay the money. No be wetin we see wey dey happen for Galatasaray and Napoli. After audio gra, Galatasaray we're not paying. You don pay. So na so e be. At the end of the day, Arsenal go still agree. So which one baba dey cry? I know, like I'm not really surprised. But look, I just wait for more corroboration by tomorrow whether truly this is the case, because Fabrizio Romano now they report wetin another person talk. So I don't know how credible this particular, like I don't know, because which one they cry for? Yeah. But one thing I know is that tomorrow we'll hear like the news we won't hear, because all the positive news we don't hear about this Gyokeres has always been coming on a Sunday. So we will see what tomorrow hold for us. So now the report let me just see this night again. I say, well, make a see, because according to Fabrizio, they are still talking. You get everybody talk is close. So that is close. We will see what will solve tomorrow. And now we say they don't travel. And for the picture, I don't really see Andrea Beretta, so probably still at the Emirates Stadium for the office and they discuss all this, because Gyokeres agent still there for London. He never really go. So they are still trying to cement everything. So we'll just watch. I'm hopeful that tomorrow, based on history, since on Sunday we get all the positive news. Tomorrow we'll hear something good. But if this turn out to be the case, that truly, Baba they cry, you know, go really make sense. So you know, good, no be good thing at all. Now the way me I decide. All right, my people, as we were.